Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 27. In this video, I will be replacing the seatbelt buckle on a 2011 Chevy Cruze. So here's what's going on. Kind of tricky to see because it's dark, but the buckle is not sliding in and out very easily. I have to push really hard to get it to latch. And then when I push the release button, I have to really pull it in order to get it out. So let's get started. First thing I have to do is remove a couple bolts. And then underneath, I've got some electrical connectors to undo. And then there's a harness down here I have to disconnect. Alright, I have the seatbelt pre-tensioner out of the way. The yellow connector is up under the seat cushion. It's not very difficult to get to. I've undone the big harness underneath. And now I have the two bolts to take out, and the seat should come right out. Alright, so here I have the seat out of the car, taking off the buckle, which is pretty simple, and then there's a electrical connector down here. Tip it back so I can see what I'm doing a little better. Just have to undo this piece of fabric, and then I can get up in here and get the wire out. So now the new one goes on. I'll just start the bolt by hand. And then torque it to factory specs. One little ugga-dugga will do it. So the wire's routed in place, the fabric is back on, everything is ready to go. I just have to put the seat back in. This is the yellow connector I was talking about that was buried under the cushion. So the seat's back in, the pre-tensioner's back on. I just have to bolt it down and hook up all of the harnesses underneath, including the one for the side airbag, and then everything will be finished. Alright, here we are back together with a new buckle. It clicks in easy, it releases fine, all the trim is back on, the headrest is on, everything's done. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.